Good evening, everyone. It is March 2nd, 2017. We were doing a third personal box break today for Ryan P. in the YouTube stream. He purchased a personal box of 2015-16 Champs Hockey. Here it is. 3 boxes left out of this inner case. We're going Gretzky hunting. Gretzky or McDavid? So let's track those down. Let's reel them in. I do love how they actually, like when I'm pack stacking these, Ryan, I can't feel which one is the relic until it comes out, you know, in my stack in my hands. Like, they do a really good job of hiding it. Like, there could be a relic in there, but I'm not sure because until I go through the cards. They do a really good job of hiding the relic. So just so you know, Ryan, Super Break. I guess we have Super Break. There's a new Super Break release tonight at 9 o'clock, and I think it's just pretty much buyback cards. So it's not gonna be that big hybrid stuff. So it looks pretty nice. It's just gonna be cards like those, like the old Super Break where it was just buybacks. They look really nice, actually. I think we have a random team, $20 a spot, $20 a random team. It looks pretty sick. I would like to buy one if I could. I know you do like Super Break. Yeah, I think it's Super Break buyback football. So this is just gonna be straight up cards. Nothing else. Just straight up cards. It's in our main. It's on our main channel actually. Yeah, which means like 1 o'clock for you, Jim. Now that I realize that. Yeah, I think they still throw in randoms, but it's just gonna be cards. You know what I mean? It's not gonna be memorabilia. It's just gonna be straight up cards. But I think they might still throw in a random category in there too, and that'll probably go to like a certain football team that. I know that's one thing we were gonna talk to them about. Is we want some more Super Break hockey, not Super Break heirlooms hockey. The other Super Break hybrid, not Frozen Heirlooms. Super Break hybrid. Alright, Ryan, good luck, man. Oh, it's kind of turned. Wow, there's an autograph. Frederik Andersen, who's actually now in Toronto, and he's actually been playing very well for the Toronto Maple Leafs. So let's see. Yellow Bullhead. Artemi Panarin, nice rookie relic. Remember, guys, SP Game Use is down to 16. That is a break I feel we can get done today. Nikolai Ehlers relic, another rookie relic. We're down to 16 now. A lot of great teams are available for $10. Chinhook Salmon, or Chinook Salmon. Winnipeg Whiteout, it's tradition. Henrik Samuelson. Another rookie relic. It's 3. I don't think I missed any short prints in this stack, right? No. Alright. So this is done. Let's go with this stack. Henry Hudson. Famous Foods. I'm hungry. Sleeping Giant. Northern Wonders. Balfin. It's a nice Hasek. Old. I actually like those old Buffalo colors. And I don't think I missed any short prints in here in the back, right? Oh. Alright, Ryan. That was your personal box break of Champs Hockey. Got 3 relics again. And Frederick Anderson ink. So thanks for getting that box with us here at JaspysHockeyLand.com. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.